Hello, everyone, and welcome. First off, I want to express a huge thank you to Dr. Barbara O'Neill for sharing her groundbreaking insights about dental health. What she's teaching us today is truly life-changing. Many of us have been taught to think that once a tooth decays, it's a lost cause, or that treatments like root canals are the only solutions. But what if we were wrong? Dr. O'Neill's wisdom sheds new light on how our teeth, much like bones, can actually heal themselves under the right conditions. And what's even more surprising, you don't always need to visit the dentist to maintain healthy teeth. Let's dive in and learn how to give our teeth the natural healing they deserve. Teeth healing naturally. Dr. O'Neill's approach to dental health is revolutionary, and today, we're uncovering just how much of what we've been told about oral health may not be true. One of the most shocking ideas she discusses is that teeth can heal themselves, just like bones. When a tooth has a little decay, it doesn't have to be the end. The body has the remarkable ability to regenerate if we support it in the right way. Did you know that root canals could actually be one of the most dangerous things in your mouth? When you get a root canal, the tooth is effectively killed, with no blood or lymph flowing through it. This can create an environment where microbes can thrive and infect the body without you even knowing, as there are no nerves in a dead tooth. Imagine a toxic, silent threat lurking inside your mouth. The shocking part? These hidden infections can spread throughout your body, affecting other organs like your kidneys, heart, or even your brain. Dr. O'Neill warns that root canals might be connected to health problems you've never suspected before. If you have a root canal or know someone who does, this could be worth investigating. Mercury fillings, a toxic threat. Now let's talk about mercury fillings. These silver-colored fillings are made with a neurotoxin, and there is no safe level of mercury. Some countries have even banned them. Over time, mercury can slowly leach into your body, and it has been linked to neurological conditions like multiple sclerosis. If you still have mercury fillings, it's a good idea to have them safely removed by a qualified professional. The connection between teeth and the rest of the body. Another fascinating point Dr. O'Neill shares is the connection between each tooth and a different part of your body. For example, a tooth connected to the kidneys might be influencing kidney function. Our teeth aren't just isolated problems in our mouth. They can affect our overall health in surprising ways. Here's the most mind-blowing part. Your teeth have the potential to heal themselves. Teeth are actually the only bones in the body that are exposed to the environment, and just like broken bones, they can regenerate. But for this to happen, your body needs the right internal and external fluids, your blood, lymph, and saliva, all working together, creating the right conditions for healing. For your teeth to heal, they need quality nutrients, proper hydration, and a healthy lifestyle. These superfluids, like your saliva and internal fluids, are key to keeping your teeth healthy. What you eat, how much you drink, and how well you care for your body can determine whether your teeth have the chance to heal. Dr. O'Neill emphasizes that stress, poor sleep, and a bad diet can all interrupt this natural healing process. So make sure to drink plenty of water, eat nourishing foods, and take time to relax. Practical tips for better dental health. What can you do starting today to improve your dental health? First, always floss and rinse your mouth after meals. Rinsing with seawater or a mixture of baking soda and water can help remove food particles and bacteria. And don't forget the power of oil pulling. Using coconut oil to swish around your mouth can draw out toxins and promote overall oral health. Also, remember to avoid sugary foods and drinks, which feed the bacteria that cause tooth decay. Crunchy foods like apples, celery, and carrots are fantastic for your teeth because they stimulate saliva production and strengthen your teeth and gums. Taking care of your teeth is all about creating the right conditions for healing. When you nourish your body, stay hydrated, manage stress, and avoid toxins, you're giving your teeth the best chance to heal naturally. It's a holistic approach that doesn't just improve your oral health, It enhances your overall well-being. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. And make sure to check out my next video where I'll reveal more natural ways to reverse cavities and promote healthier teeth naturally. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching, and take care of your teeth, your body, and your health.